Hey, welcome to Code. In this course I will teach you everything you need to know about C programming language. It's really good idea if you want to start with C, since C is a basic for high-level language. In this course we gonna cover everything you need to know. I am gonna talk to you guys about installing text editor and using C compiler. I will talk to you guys about what's program, how a program is work, how to C reads instructions. We gonna get into some more advanced stuff. We gonna learn if statement, loop. We gonna create different variables. We gonna talk about different type of data that is used in C. Then we gonna get more advanced. We gonna talk about things like structures, functions. We gonna talk about pointers. So at the end of this course you will have good understanding of C. I'm really happy to be bringing you guys this basic course on C. Let's get started. In this tutorial I'm gonna talk to you guys about getting set up to start programming in C. Now in order to program in C, we're actually going to need two things. The first thing we're gonna need is an environment where we can write our C programs. Now there's a bunch of these different environment. Essentially all you need is a text editor. So anything that can allows you to write text and save that text in a specific format is gonna work. Although when we are working with C a lot of times it can be useful to use a special environment called an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Basically this is a special text editor which means it a lot easier for us to write our C program. So I'm going to show you guys how to install an IDE called CodeBlocks. The other thing we need to write our C programs is going to be something called a C compiler. C is a programming language. It means we can basically write out instructions that we want to give to the computer to be able to execute those instructions. They have to be compiled, which basically means like translated or transformed into a language that the computer can understand. So we're gonna basically download and install a special program that will do that for us. So let's get started. First open browser. Then go to Google search bar and type CodeBlocks. Check this link is should come from codeblock.org. Click download CodeBlocks. Then click download the binary release. Scroll down. Click CodeBlock 20.3 mingusetup.x. This give both text editor and compiler on window. It automatically start downloading. After downloading is completed, the file saved here in download file. Click this to install text editor. Click next. Click I agree. Click next. Click install. May take minute. After installation is completed, click next. Then click finish. Then open CodeBlock. Click Create New Project. Click Console Application. Click Go. Then click Next. Choose C since we write C code. And click Next. Write project title. Let's say First Project. Click Next. Then click Finish. Our project is appear here. Then click here plus sign. Right-click on main. Click open main.c. This is the structure of every C program has. This program display Hello World on console window. Let us run. It displays Hello World. The function int main is the starting point of every C programming. This function printf tells the code block to display the message written in double quote. As I told you before, when we write program in C, we are actually have to compile the program in order to computer understand our code and execute. So first thing we have to do is build our C program. And the second thing we do is run the file that's built. So click this gear icon to build our program. To run program and test it, make sure everything is working. I'm gonna come up here and see this green play button over here. When I click this button, this file that's written right here main.c it gonna get run. It's just telling CodeBlock to run and execute the program. Before we end this video, I have suggestion for you. The best way you can learn programming is by writing code. If you are just watching video without actually writing code, you may soon forget and lose interest. So I highly recommend you to practice. But you have to watch as we move further in this course. That's today's video. I hope you learned something. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. If you have any question, use the comment box. In the next video, we will learn about variables in C programming. See you in the next video. Happy programming!